I'm back. Hey my loves, welcome to Women 50 and Beyond. And today on Women 50 Beyond, we are going to make a facial soap. It's foaming soap. There's two ways you can make it. This one I'm just making a regular foaming soap for oily, acne prone skin for adults. I mean, anyone can use it, but to be honest, adults do have adult acne. So these ingredients that I am using are great for your skin. I am using avocado oil. I was going to do the jojoba oil, but I really didn't want to. And then you have the Pure Castile soap. This is, let me make sure it's non-fragrance, because I know I picked a non-fragrant one. Why it look like this? Okay, this is the baby unscented. Okay, that. And then we have vitamin E oil. I'm going to use 3 essential oils for my soap. Most important thing to use is distilled water. Don't get the purified water. Do not get water that's come out the sink or a bottled water. No, it has to say distilled water. That's what this is. Now I'm gonna mix everything. I'm gonna mix everything in here because I don't have. Do I have? So now I'm gonna use a cup. I'm at my measuring cup. We're gonna mix it all into here. You might not can see it, but it's gonna be mixed in there. Let's put my glasses on. Left-handed. And all my stuff has been sterilized. So don't get chip handies in the bunch. And you have to make sure it says unscented. You don't want any fragrance. You don't want to wash your face with fragrance stuff. So now that everything is in here, spray that. This is the right. And then you just give it a good shake. Now let's test it out. Oh, there we go. Ooh, look it. And there you go. We have soap. And it smells so good. This is for your face. But being that I have on makeup, I'm just testing this out, and it's not oily at all. Oh my God, I am in love with it. This feels, like, take these off. This feels so good. Oh my God. I seriously would recommend you purchase this from your girl. So, yeah, I make my own soap.